Hi guys, I know I have no makeup on. This is a very casual video, but something just came in the mail and I really wanted to film a video on it. You guys, I'm sure if you haven't heard of FabFitFun, I don't even know what you're doing. It's obviously constantly promoted on Instagram and YouTube and everything now. I got a mini FabFitFun box and I really liked the stuff I got, and I do think it's a really great deal, but they don't always include cruelty-free products, and a lot of the times the products to me are kind of like, it's nice, but I'm not going to use it, and I do think that's a good idea to like re-gift things and get a good deal for it. But I wanted to find a box that was cruelty-free, and that was just a little bit more better for charity, I guess that's the word. And I found something called a CAUSEBOX. It is very similar to FabFitFun, as I think it has 4 boxes a year per season. It's around the same price, a tiny bit more expensive, but you do get like a discount on your first one, which is what I did. Now I actually bought this because of a Facebook ad about one of the products that they said were like bringing back because it was so popular, and I think it's in here, but I'm not sure. I find it hard to subscribe to a lot of these kind of beauty boxes, things like that, because they are usually not cruelty-free. But I was very excited that this does only include cruelty-free products. It's not all beauty, it's like lifestyle and all that kind of stuff too. So I just got it, literally just got dropped off at my doorstep, and I'm so excited. Now it did take a long time to get here after I ordered it. I thought the fall box would come very soon, and it didn't. And then once I got notification that it shipped, it still took like another week and a half. It was coming from LA, so maybe if you live closer there, then it would be faster, I don't know. But I haven't even opened it. I'm very excited. It's not even taped shut, which is something that's bothering me. It was taped shut and it looks like someone had cut it, so I hope there's nothing missing. I'm gonna be really bummed if there is, but it's a really cute box, and I'm pretty sure this is the fall one. It could be the winter one, but I think it's the fall one. Let's get into it. I'm so excited to see what's in it. I hope I don't hate stuff and like really regret it, because this is a kind of a thing that's like a total surprise. And I don't think I follow anyone who unboxes this. Like, I follow people who unbox like every beauty box there is, especially FabFitFun, but I've never seen someone unbox this one, so I'm so excited. So I thought we would do it together. First impressions, I don't know if I'm going to subscribe to this for like the year or if I'm just going to stick with this, but we're going to find out. The big box one's pretty heavy too. It comes with a magazine, kind of like FabFitFun, I guess. You get a coupon for something called Known Supply, $25 off store credit. I guess it's like a clothing brand. This looks like I got a tote bag. Some kind of bag. It's this grayish blue color with cream. The thing I wanted that I saw on Instagram ad was like a really cute wallet, and I don't know if that's in here, and if it's not, I'm gonna be really bummed because that's why I bought this. Oh wow! Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. I just bought a backpack for like overnight travel, and this I could have used. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it's like a really good size for overnight. Look at that. That's like super cute, and it has like a longer strap. What brand is this? Give It brand? Has a zip pocket on the inside. Oh, this is Known Supply, so this is the same brand as the coupon. Oh, that's cool. This is like nice. This is really good for overnight. Oh my god, I'm already impressed. Yay, okay, cool, cool. I see something from Malin & Goats, so I guess I'll grab that. I'm not sure what it is yet. Malin & Goats is a really cool brand, obviously cruelty-free. Malin & Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. Fast-absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Let's see what the ingredients are, because I have a lot of allergies. Squalene, argan oil, camellia seed oil, primrose oil, avocado, jojoba, grape, lavender, ooh, and orange, and lime, ooh. Some of these are fragrances, which you really shouldn't have in your skincare. It's natural fragrance, but still. I'm allergic to rose, and I don't see that in here, so that's a good sign. But you get whole fluid ounce, so that's obviously these are all like full-size things. I might give this to someone as a gift. Ooh, that's a fancy bottle. It smells nice. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the, ooh, what's it called? From Kiehl's Overnight Recovery, Midnight Recovery. Oh, this is the wallet. I'm kind of bummed. I'm kind of bummed. Oh no! It's peach with like weird designs on it. It says Glass Ladder Company Travel Wallet. It says custom designed for a CAUSEBOX. This really isn't what I thought it was. I don't think this is the wallet I thought. Sorry about the knocking. We have someone working in the basement. I don't really like it, to be honest. It's kind of plain. Nothing special. I might give it to someone who I know travels, so that's kind of disappointing. I'm not going to use that. It's a nice quality. You can feel that it's nice quality, so I might just give that as a gift too. Like, I'm not just gonna hold on to it. Oh, a postcard. That's cool, I guess. Not that I've ever sent a postcard. Soy Beauty, S-O-I, Soy La Beauty. Don't know what this is. It also kind of feels like a wallet. Oh, I think this is makeup brushes. La Beauté Soy. I'm saying that wrong. Oh, wow. Oh, it is makeup brushes. Look, so it comes in this little leather wrap. They're really soft. I mean, I'm not really in the market for makeup brushes at the moment. I might give these as a gift to my niece. I bet you she would really like this. They're like white with rose gold on them. They feel really good too. I mean, again, not something I need or want, but I'm happy to have it, and I'm sure this will be a great gift for Christmas as well. I'm glad I did this right at this time of year, so I wouldn't just be holding on to this stuff for months. Oh, I think this is a candle. Okay, part of me, I love candles, but I have 2 kittens, and there's like a 2% chance I could light a candle without starting a fire, but I can smell this, and it's my kind of smell. It says cactus flower, coconut, and musk. I love coconut, and I love musk smells. It says no phthalates, parabens, or sulfates, no animal testing. Made with coconut wax. That's cool. Reusable glass. Sustainable, ecologically sound manufacturing. Hand poured in the US. Okay, this is from the brand La Lure. That's fancy. I could give this as a gift. This is a fancy gift. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That smells so good. The scent is called White Cactus. I like that, but I know my family won't like it, and we light like candles for the house. So I think that's gonna be a gift too. Oh, what's this? I don't like what I just saw. Now we have what looks like a necklace. It says Fashion Feeding Hunger, so I'm guessing it's a brand that, like, when you buy it, it puts money toward a charity that helps feed the hungry. It's called Nashel. It's a silver necklace. Not my thing. I am all about gold. So I guess I'll give that too. Honestly, I don't like this necklace so much that I don't even want to give it to someone. I really don't like this necklace at all. So there's one thing I'll be keeping, which is that first gray tote bag thing, like overnight bag. I really like that. I think that's super cool. That really upped my expectations for the box, which I'm kind of disappointed with. This is all good stuff. It's not something I would have picked out for other people as gifts, which is kind of a bummer. This kind of stuff is so hard to say, like, oh, I like it, I don't like it, because it's so different. Every box is different. They're gonna have different things. Like, I've watched some FabFitFun boxes get unboxed and thought, wow, I wish I got that. And then other ones I'm like, ew, everything in there sucks. I'm so glad I don't subscribe to that. You know what I mean? Let me know if you know anyone else who gets this on YouTube, and leave a comment, because I want to subscribe to people to see what they get. I think it's great that they're cruelty-free. I think it's great that they support these kinds of brands. But personally, I think I'm just such a picky person that subscription boxes aren't great for me. But I think this would be a great gift for someone who you know likes to try new things. But yeah, I'm kind of just like so about it, so yeah, right at this point with this one box, I couldn't recommend it. Right now, I'm not gonna continue to get it, but I will continue to look into it, and maybe I'll like something at some point and want to get one. That's it for this CAUSEBOX unboxing. I was way more excited about this, and I'm very let down. I'm like kind of really bummed now. I was looking forward to this for so long. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe to see more from me, whatever it is, and yeah, let me know if you get this box, and if you like it, or if you usually think it's great, if you think this season was kind of like eh. I'll see you next time. Bye!